Hello. Hi, everybody. How are you today? My name is Louise from Claire Organics. I'm the founder of Claire Organics, and I am also a certified aromatherapist. I am so excited here today to share with you one of our Claire Foundation initiatives. It's Team Claire. Here to talk about Team Claire today. It is our community project to empower individuals to do amazing things together. Right, let's get into what is Team Claire all about. Team Claire is our Claire Organics Foundation initiative to build a team of empowered women. To empower women who wants to make a difference in the world of kindness. And of course, this initiative is to support women with lower income, maybe single moms or working moms who wants to build passive incomes to support their families, initiative to support the community, especially during this pandemic. We know everyone is struggling, and I know some of you is facing challenges when we lost our jobs, when we face no income, then we need to support our families. This is where we come in. We want to build a community of nurturing women. We are here to support each other through kindness, because we strongly believe that the world should be more kind. And how many of you can see that Malaysia, what is Malaysia is going through right now? How many of us are showing up with food bank to support each other? And this is also where we invite all the women of all ages to come together as part of the kindness community, and as we proudly calling it Team Claire. And how does it work? Right, this is Team Claire community. As you can see, benefits of being part of our Team Claire is to grow with us. There will be a series of coaching and training by the team and myself as your mentor, to be trained by professional aromatherapist. That's myself, right? Every month we will have special coaching by inviting our VIPs to our monthly meeting to meet and learn from our experts, right? You will also be part of our community projects, right? As you can see sharing here, what was that Team Claire was done in the past in giving back the community, including the COVID-19 fundraising, sending PPE to the frontliners, donating to the underprivileged groups. And of course, as part of most important benefits of Team Claire family is the opportunity to grow your career with us, build your income to support your family, especially during this hard time, right? We are here to support each other. We are here to create the career opportunity to those who needs help. All right, the door is open. Sign up now via the link. You will see the link in the comment area or the section below, right? And we will invite you to our open day, right, guys? Anything else, please feel free to comment or PM to our service, right? And we will have your questions answered. And open day is where you must attend, and we will open up all the information about this Team Claire and how it works for us and how it helps you in going through this hard time, and so how we come in to support each other, right? Guys, that's all my quick sharing today, and on how we build the community who wants to make a difference with us, right? In the world of kindness. Do you have what it takes? Are you ready to join the Team Claire community? Sign up with the link, and I'll see you at the open day. Right, guys, that's all for today. I hope to see you in my open day, and I want to see you joining my Team Claire in making a difference with us. Okay? Take care in the meantime. Wash your hands, stay safe, and take care, guys. I see you next. Bye-bye. Take care.